In this video, I'll show you how to make a copy on your HP Envy Inspire. What I'll show you next works with many different models. So let's get started. First thing is to insert the page on the scan bed. If your printer has an automatic document feeder on the top, well, it's about the same. If you're using the scan bed, you're going to put your page facing down with the top part towards the left. Then you're going to glide this corner of your page towards this corner over here on the top left corner of the scanner until both are touching. Then close the lid and we'll go on the screen. On the screen, you're going to press copy. It's one of the first options. Then you're going to have multiple options depending what you're trying to make a copy of. This is just a regular document, a text document, so I'll select the first option. But you also have ID card if you're trying to copy a small element like a ID card or maybe like a birthday card, stuff like that. You can use ID card for that. And you also have photo if you want, obviously, to make copies to photos, but also artworks, painting, stuff like that. So I'll select document. And here are a few settings you need to make sure that are appropriate for the kind of document you're trying to scan. Over here we have number of copies. If you click on it, you'll be able to input more than one copy in case you want to make, let's say, 50 copies. Make sure you have paper inserted in your printer and press copy. Here you go. We just made a copy of the document we had previously put on the scanner. If you want to make a black and white copy, well, you just have to make sure that on the screen here, instead of print copy in color, you click on it and select copy in black. But overall, this is it. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.